Hello children, welcome back. This is the continuation of lesson number 3, managing files and folders. So in today's video, you are going to learn searching a file or a folder, searching the file using wildcard characters, sorting files, and working with multiple applications. So let us begin. First, we will start with searching a file or a folder. Windows offer a number of ways to find files and folders. Okay, among them, the direct way to search the file and folder is using a search box, and we can use the search box if we are looking for a common file type. Second is if we remember all or the part of the name of the file or a folder that we want to find, or if we know the date when we last modified the file. So how to do this one? Now you can see that this is the desktop screen. Just at the right side of the start button, you can see here the search box. So if you know the files or the folders that you want to open, what you can do is you can directly click here and type the files and folders. Let me write here syllabus. Okay, SYLLABUS, syllabus. Now you can see that it can show me the list of syllabus that is available here. You just click on the syllabus that you want to see. Okay, just click on that particular option. Now you can see that here is the syllabus of a particular class. Okay, so in this way you can open it. Now the next is, suppose say if you want to open a particular file, so in this case we may use the wildcard. Now let us go through actually what is a wildcard. Okay, now searching file using wildcard characters. Now there are two wildcard characters. Now we call this as a streak, and this is the question mark. So you can use the asterisk sign or a question mark to search a particular file. Now when do we use it? We use it when we does not know the exact name of the file or a folder that we want to open. So now I will show you how to open the file or folder using a wildcard characters. Okay. Now, so as I have said that the asterisk sign is a wildcard character. So first I will type the asterisk. Okay. After the asterisk, what exactly you want to find out. Suppose say I want to get all those Microsoft Word document file. Okay, so after the asterisk I'll keep the extension, that is .docx. Now what happens once I type docx? If you see here, you can see all the files that are of a Microsoft Word document. So whichever you want, you can simply click and open it. Okay, now suppose if you want to open only the PowerPoint file, so after the asterisk with dot, just simply write down pptx. So this is the extension for PowerPoint window, so it will show you the list of PowerPoint window. Okay, now you can also source the files in different drives as well. Okay, instead of searching in this search box. So let me open my computer window. Now see, I just want to find the files that are stored in the new volume, that is the drive number A. So let me click on the drive number E. Okay, if you see at the top corner, you will find the search box as well in this corner. So let me click on this particular position and let me put the asterisk sign here. Okay, this is the wildcard character. Dot, suppose say I just want to find the images JPG file. Okay, so I will type .jpg. Now once I will type the JPG file and press enter key, if you have the JPG file, it will show you the list of the images, pictures. Okay, so these are some of the JPG file. Now if you want to find out the music, okay, then what you have to do here, you have to type the asterisk sign with dot the sound format, maybe the MP3 or MP4 file format. Then just click on this one, this right arrow, or you can press the enter key So here are some of the MP4 file format, that is the video clips. Okay, so in this way you can go through the different drives and you can open the file or the folder you want. Suppose say you want to open the PowerPoint presentation file. So in the search box you can put the asterisk sign, type the asterisk with a dot PPEX. So what it will do, it will only show those files that are created in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, it will not show any of the files that are made either in the Excel, Microsoft Word or a Paint. Now press enter key. So you can see all these are a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so in this way you can also use a wildcard characters to find a particular file. Now let us go back to the PDF. Now next is sorting file. So you see that the sorting the desktop item means arranging them in the proper order. So what is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means arranging. So there are 4 different ways that you can sort the files or the folders. Number 1 is by name. Okay, by using the name you can sort the files or folders alphabetically. Second is you can sort the file and folder according to the size. Next is what type of item it is, okay, based on the item type. And the next one is according to the date modified, means when you have modified or when you have made some modification at the last time. So let us go through it. So what you need to do is, suppose say these are my files and folders. Now you can arrange all these files and folders either through using a name, okay, or you can also arrange or sort the file using its size, item type or a document. So what you need to do is simply right click the mouse button. Okay, once you right click the mouse button you can see view, sort, refresh, many more options are there. Go to the sort by. Now how you want to sort? Suppose say I want to sort according to the name. So just click on the name. Now you can see that it will get sorted, okay, according to the alphabetical order. First the files, first the application, then the folders will be sorted according to the alphabetical order, and finally the files will get sorted according to the alphabetical order. Now if you want to arrange or the sort these files and folders according to the size, then simply click on the size. Now you can see that according to size it will get arranged. Next is you can also sort this file or arrange this file using the item tab, that is whatever items they are, so accordingly it will get sorted. And finally you can also sort or arrange the files and folders according to the date modified. Date modified means the last date that you modified will come at the first, okay, and the one that you have modified before will come at the last. Now you can also arrange these files or a folder according to the size. Okay, so how you can do that one? Just right click the mouse button, go to the view option. If you want the large icon, simply click on the large icon. You can see that the files and folders, the size of the files and folders has become bigger. So view, if you want to arrange it with the small icons, click on the small icons, so you will get a small icon. Okay, so in this way you can also view the files and folders using either the large icon, medium icons or small icons. Okay, now the next one is working with multiple application. Now what happens, sometimes you need to work with multiple application. Multiple application means say you may want to work with Microsoft Word, at the same time you may be working with the Excel, or at the same time you may be drawing using a Paint application. So how to work with the multiple application at the same time? So we will go through this. Now let me minimize it. Now I will open few of the documents. Okay, suppose say this is my PowerPoint window. Now next, okay, this is my one of the PDF file. Now let me open here the Paint window as well. Okay, means I want to draw something else. So this is my Paint application. Now if you see here, see I have opened 3 applications altogether. This is my paint window, this is my, suppose say, the PowerPoint window, okay, and this is my PDF file. So how can you work with all these 3 applications at the same time? Now what you need to do is, in the taskbar, okay, in the empty area in the taskbar, right click the mouse button. From here you have to click on the show windows side by side. So if I click on show windows side by side, you can see it will show me 3 applications. Okay, this is my paint application where I may be drawing at the same time, I may be drawing different shapes or different figures. Okay, this is my PowerPoint window. So you may increase the size of the PowerPoint window and you may work on the PowerPoint, or you may work on this file as well. So you can see that at the same time I can work on 3 different applications. That is, I can make a PowerPoint presentation, I can draw on, say, a paint window, or I can open the PDF file and just go through it. Okay, so in this way we can work with multiple applications at the same time. So in this video, what we have learned is, we have learned how to search files and folders, how to search the file using the wildcard character, sorting files, and working with multiple applications. So this is all in today's video. Thank you, children.